What if I told you you've been going to school for years, but nobody ever taught you how money actually works? Not how to make it, not how to keep it, not how to grow it. And that's exactly why most people stay broke. Welcome back to Money Temptation, the channel where we expose the truth about money, power, and financial freedom. Today, I'm breaking down financial literacy explained for beginners in the simplest way possible. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at money the same way again. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy simply means understanding how money works. That's it. It's knowing how to earn money, how to manage money, how to save money, how to invest money, and how to avoid losing money. Most people know how to earn, but they don't know how to manage. That's why someone can earn $5,000 a month and still be broke, while another person earns $1,500 and is building wealth. The difference? Knowledge. The 5 pillars of financial literacy. If you master these 5 things, your financial life will change. 1. Income. How you make money. There are 2 types. Active income, you work, you get paid. Passive income, money works for you. Most people only have active income. The wealthy focus on building passive income, because if you stop working, what happens? Your income stops, and that's dangerous. 2. Spending. Control your lifestyle. Here's a painful truth. It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. Many people increase their income, but also increase their lifestyle. New phone, new clothes, new car, new problems. Financially smart people live below their means. They don't try to look rich, they build wealth quietly. 3. Saving. Pay yourself first. Saving is not what's left after spending. It's what you remove before spending. If you earn $1,000 and save 20% first, that's $200 saved automatically. Even if you think it's small money saved consistently becomes big money. The habit matters more than the amount. 4. Investing. Make money multiply. Saving keeps money safe. Investing makes money grow. If your money is just sitting in the bank, inflation is slowly stealing it. Investing can include stocks, real estate, businesses, index funds, skills. The earlier you start, the easier wealth becomes. Time is more powerful than money. 5. Debt, the silent destroyer. There are 2 types of debt. Good debt makes you money. Bad debt takes money from you. Buying assets with debt? Smart. Buying liabilities with debt? Dangerous. Credit cards, luxury loans, impulse borrowing. This is how many people become financial slaves. Reasons why most people are financially illiterate. Because schools teach you how to pass exams, get a job, follow instructions, but not how to build wealth, avoid financial traps, escape the paycheck cycle. And society pressures you to spend, not invest. Social media shows lifestyle, not bank statements. That's why financial literacy is powerful. It makes you think differently. The simple starter plan for beginners. If you're starting today, do this. Track your income and expenses. Save at least 10 to 20%. Avoid unnecessary debt. Learn 1 investment skill. Increase your income yearly. That's it. No complicated strategy, just discipline. The money mindset shift. Here's the biggest lesson. Poor people ask, how much does it cost? Wealthy people ask, how much will it return? That mindset alone changes everything. Stop working only for money. Make money work for you. Financial literacy is not about being rich overnight. It's about not being broke forever. And remember, money is a tool. If you don't control it, it will control you. If this video opened your eyes even a little bit, Like the video, subscribe to Money Temptation, and comment, "I choose financial freedom," because on this channel, we don't chase money, we understand it. See you in the next video.